going to install, configure, test FSRM. How do we do it? So I have three servers, two servers, one client, server 1, server 2, and a client machine. At the same time, in my Active Directory, I have two users in our Active Directory because we need to test out this quota system with those users. So in my Active Directory, I have Toronto OU. Within Toronto OU, in users, I have Mike and I have Sami, two users. So two users here, I have already tested them out through my client machine as being a legit users. So within my client machine, if I log off and try logging it with one of the users. So guys, these are the basics that you need to do before testing out anything. These basics should be very clear. Here, what I'm going to do is I am going to log in with, let's say, Sami. So I'm logged in with Sami, and Sami has just a simple profile. Sami does not have access to any of the folders. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create these folders structure in my server 2. So within server 2, I have marketing folder, I have IT folder, I have sales folder. In marketing folder, I have nothing in marketing folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply quota system on marketing. For now, if I go into marketing and check that if it is shared properly, so it is shared, and if I go to advanced sharing, I can see everyone has full control on this. But this is sharing permission. This is sharing permission. But if I go to NTFS permissions, NTFS permission shows me that users have read and execute access, but administrator has full control. So let me try to access marketing folder from the client machine. So from the client machine where Sami is logged in, all I do is I log into the server 2/marketing, and then try to add something. So here I'm now connected to server 2 from a client machine, and I am testing out that user is able to create folders, user is able to create files. So user is able to do create folder, user has full access to this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the feature on this server. So how do I add the feature? All I need to do is go to manage, add roles and features. And here it's not a role. Role is already selected, which is this one. If I go inside the role and inside the SCSI role, here this is FSRM. I would select FSRM and add all features, and then next, and next. I would select restart. If it requires a restart, it would restart, otherwise it won't restart. So it is installing. Now as soon as it is installed, now I know that I'm working on marketing folder and Sami has access to it. What I need to do is I need to apply a quota for Sami so that he cannot add files more than a specified size, a folder or a file. Now it is being installed. Installed. So done. Close. Now open. Let's see if I have notification. I have notification. It's saying installation succeeded. So it's fine. I don't have to do anything here. I will just refresh it. I'll go into tools and go into FSRM file server resource manager. As soon as I'm there, I have quotas here. Within quotas, guys, I have nothing. But guys, I want to show you something here. So there are two things. I can assign my own quotas. I can create my own quota system and then apply to the folder, or I can use a template as well. So these are predefined templates. So the above four templates, Bilal, above four templates here are hard quota limits, and the below two templates are soft quota limits. I can assign these to any folder, so this would be predefined quota. Now, if I double click on one of the templates here, I can see that this template is known as 100 MB. This is a 100 MB limit. Template name is this, and here it is the size. What is the limit is, and here are the notification thresholds. It's saying user will get a warning on 85% of usage. User will get a warning, another warning for 95%, and last warning on 100%. And what type of warning user will be getting? User can get an email as a warning, and user can get a just there can be an event will be logged within the event log application logs. Now here you can use this, or you can add your own notification system here as well. So in your own notification system, guys, here you need to add the email address who you need to send. I mean, this is the email address of the user to notify whoever is the user here, and then send user. And here, this is a predefined message. You can change this message according to your organizational needs. For now, we'll just keep it simple. And now I'm going to create a quota. So create quota. As soon as I create a quota, first of all, I need to select the folder on which I need to create a quota. So here I'm saying this quota will be on marketing folder. So on marketing folder, I'm creating a quota. Now I can use these templates, the templates we just saw, or what I can do is I can create my own settings here. So here, if I go with a template, now a template says that it is a 100 MB limit. It's the hard quota, and there will be 4 notifications to this user. Now, or I can say that I need to create my own template here. So here, if I say I need, it's a 10 MB limit. This applies to the marketing folder. This will apply to a marketing folder, yes. So 10 MB limit. No, okay, I selected a marketing folder right here. So it will apply to a marketing folder, right? But originally it should be done based on user folder. So first I'm just showing you overall limit on a complete folder. And then what we'll do is we'll create a folder for Mike inside marketing, then we'll apply the limit on Mike, and then Dave, then Sami, and then all of them. Here this is just the overall limit. So overall limit, I'm saying this is 10, and the notification is just 1. You can add more notifications as well, and it's a hard quota limit. It's not a soft quota limit. And here you can say my notification is event viewer, event log. It should go and log event. Guys, it won't be able to send out email because we don't have email system set up in this network. If you would have had Exchange server here, if you would have had any Exchange server, then we would have sent out emails. But now there won't be any email. The only thing that will be there is event viewer. Or the second, you can run a command as well. As soon as quota is reached, you can run a command, you can run a script, or you can run a report as well on this. So here I'll just press OK and create. So here it's saying that you want to save a template because I created my own settings. So here I would say this is a 10 MB hard limit. It's just the name of the template. So here this is hard setting. So now it is applied. Now if I go back to this folder here and now try to copy something on this folder, let's see. So here, let's see, let me find a bigger file size. So here I have, this is 2 MB. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is 2 MB. How much total is this? 4 MB. MB? What? There are no big files in this folder? Strange. But okay, 120 MB. So this one is 120 MB. Now let's go and go back to Sami and connect to that server. Marketing. And here, so guys, here, this is how it shows you. There is not enough space on marketing. It needs 104 MB is needed to copy. So this is how we can apply quotas on folder.